I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask, don't play pretend. You know you left me lonely, I could tell them the whole story.
यो क्या हाल है। इस वीडियो में मैं बनाने वाला हूँ डीमन स्लेयर करैक्टर सरपेट हाशिरा ओबेनाई इगुरो। हाँ वही जिसके पास सांप रहता है। लेट्स स्टार्ट। ये चैनल 500 सब्सक्राइबर के बहुत क्लोज है, सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक।
Consistent clarity, but all my thoughts destroying me. Some peace of mind is all I need to get peace to all of my family. I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask, don't play pretend. You think you are everything I need, but I gotta leave. You try but can't get through to me. It's not you, yeah, it's always me. I close my heart to you, you see it opens up for nobody. It's been so hard to fall asleep. The weather always makes my nose bleed, makes my nose bleed. It's so hard to believe that one day I'll feel peace. I want control over my life, I want that driver's seat. Yeah, it's not you that I need. You push me down when I'm weak. You were never there for me. Go pick up your keys and leave. I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask, don't play pretend. You think you're everything I need, but I gotta live.
Sketch is complete. Start line art.
Can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask, don't play pretend. Cause you think you are everything I need. It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head.
Line art is finished. Let's add colors.
And I've been dreaming off the ground, so I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. These doubts like the playing cards close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and hit like and subscribe. Here the final shot.